Hi everyone, thanks for watching my YouTube contents. I'm Sangwoo Kim. In the previous video, I showed you how to get the optimal lambda of exponential distribution by using Excel. So, the most important thing to get optimal lambda was to understand log likelihood function, right? Then we were able to get optimal lambda by using this log likelihood function or this formula and over sum of ti. So in our program, actually, there are many ways we can also get optimal lambda by using our library. So once you read ovariant data and actually specified generated event data with the value of 1, then from a flexsurv library, you can use flexsurvreg function and specify independent variable as 1 and specify distribution as exp, then you can get lambda. So if you take exponential of coefficients, then actually this is uh, optimal lambda, right? This is same as Excel output. And the second way is to use a library, and if you use survreg function and same as approach, so specify independent variable as 1, then you can get coefficients. So if you take exponential of negative coefficients, then you can get this lambda, right? Again, so flexsurv, you can directly calculate lambda from exponential formula, but in survival analysis, you need to consider negative sign. And the third method is to use EHA library. So if you use aftreg, accelerated failure time regression, and specify distribution as y-val and shape as 1, then it actually assumes exponential distribution. So again, exponential of negative coefficients, then it also shows you optimal lambda, all right? So I hope previous video and this video was useful to understand how to get optimal lambda in XLR. And the purpose of introducing this method is to link with survivor analysis. In survivor analysis, as you can see, lambda actually consider is equal to psi of zi covariates. There's one good reference site I have used for this video, and as you can see, the hazard rate would be the same for any two individuals with the same covariate values. Although there are many possible choices for psi, one simple and natural choice is like this. So psi of zi is equal to exponential of regression form. So again, in survivor analysis, typically we have event data and sensor data. So the log likelihood should consider those two, right? Then finally, you can get this log likelihood, right? Again, lambda is equal to psi of z, right? And we wanna use this log lambda to get to estimate beta, right? So I will show you how to use this log lambda in the next video. I will show you how to get how to get these estimates in XLR. I hope it was useful to understand lambda of exponential distribution and how to get it in XLR. Please click like and subscribe if it was useful for you. Thank you.